Jalgaon, the heart of Khandesh, the gateway to the world-famous Ajanta cave, a city spread with the gold businesses, appreciated for its banana, cotton, and its path-breaking poetry. This mecca of pulse milling and the Vatican of plastic mattresses and the irrigation industry is no doubt a landmark on the world map. And a milestone on this landmark is Hotel Maitreyas, a figurative introduction for Jalgaon, a golden sapling germinating from the Maitreyas Grove, founded by late Shri Madhusudanji Ramakant Satpalkar, a jewel in the crown of hospitality industry, the only 3-star hotel in Khandesh. Hardly 4 kilometers from the Jalgaon railway station. The palatial royal luxury of Maitreyas is available right on the highway to Ajanta Caves, strategically located within boundaries of city, close to its MIDC and major business hubs, aptly respecting the cultural ethos of worshipping trees as relatives and putting this into practice through its green and peaceful surroundings. Let's have a look at the satin-like carpet of its lush green lawns spread over an acre. Be it wedding, receptions, seminars, or any of your social gatherings, this lawn would add to your pleasure, goodwill, and status, and definitely multiply your joy. Due to availability of an adjacent kitchen facility for cooking and serving, the lawn adds several colors to any of your programs. Do experience it once to realize what we mean. And this is the multi-cuisine garden restaurant of Hotel Maitreyas, which serves you made-to-order mouth-watering dishes, the taste of which would linger on your taste buds for a long time. And listen, all this is only the external beauty and features of Maitreyas. Now let's have a look at the internal shades of its pleasant ambience. Customer is our God is what our staff believes and practices. In the peaceful, pleasant, and polite atmosphere at the reception, the staff welcoming you with a smiling face would unwind you after that long day and make you feel at home. Should we move to the culinary delight of Rajasthan? Yes, please don't be surprised. This is the separate entrance to the pure vegetarian Royal Rajasthani dining restaurant, decorated with special Rajasthani furniture, embellished with Rajasthani paintings on its walls, and beautiful with attractive graving on glass. This special hall takes you to the land of the royals, and yes, this enthralling experience is for the pure vegetarians. Where pure vegetarian for us means we don't mix even a single spoon or fork with our other sections to give you authentic vegetarian delight. The purity of heart with which it is served by our staff attired in Rajasthani outfit. Hotel Maitreyas is the only hotel in North Maharashtra which serves you tasty delicacies in bronze utensils on your request. Let's now have a look at the Manthan Bar and Restaurant of Maitreyas. Adorned with peaceful, serene, and pleasant atmosphere, mild melodious music, and shades of vibrant colors, and the non-vegetarian food served here is a treat in itself. Maitreyas is anyways quite well known for its delicious and tasty food. There is a separate arrangement for families in the Manthan Bar, where families can spend time together and enjoy personal space. The speciality of Maitreyas is that it has got more than 350 dishes on its menu. It means we can serve you whatever you like, as you like it. Maitreyas also boast of 3 luxurious halls of different sizes to organize personal and social functions: the Amantran, Nimantran and Samvad. Amantran is an air-conditioned hall with an independent sitting capacity of 200 people. The Nimantran is a non-air-conditioned hall for 150 people, while Samvad is a place where you can communicate in your conferences or meetings. In short, be it corporate meetings, seminars, training programs or workshops, individual events during marriages, or be it get-togethers, you can have complete fun in a natural setting away from the hassles of the city. The accommodation facilities of Maitreyas are adorned with luxurious rooms with star category facilities for various budgets. You can have a grand, comfy, AC suite, a deluxe room, executive room in both single or double bedroom options. This is how an air-conditioned double bedroom looks like. There are 32 rooms where you can enjoy a peaceful sleep at night and get up for a wonderful, pleasant morning. The staff and the management of the hotel is always eager to help, assist and serve you in the best possible way. Our general manager wants to have a word with you.
Hello friends, Hotel Maitreyas, in true sense as in its name, is a delightful experience in a friendly atmosphere. On 26th day, in May 2006, Maitreyas Hotel, the only 3-star grade category hotel in North Maharashtra, started functioning in this MIDC area, Jalgaon. No one even believed that time that a hotel of its kind will ever succeed in this area, away from concrete jungle and human crowd. But its peaceful environments, its grace, its clean and hygienic atmosphere, big and spacious building and ample parking place was enough to attract the people of Jalgaon and Khandesh. Very soon, Hotel Maitreyas became #1 hotel in Jalgaon with no second hotel to its competition. When you enter into the reception area of the hotel, you will always find smiling faces of the receptionists who greet you welcome. At Hotel Maitreyas, you can feel and experience that heavenly treatment and specialized service. On 2nd Jan 2009, Hotel Maitreyas was awarded 3-star graded category by Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. In 2010, Maitreyas added 9 executive luxurious rooms, and in 2011, Maitreyas has undertaken the renovation of reception and Manthan bar area. its designs and the ambience is a gem. It was built with a separate bar and non-veg family restaurant to solve the purpose of making family restaurant from the bar crowd separate. New Mejwani, pure vegetarian restaurant, was renovated recently, and its Rajasthani traditional exteriors and interiors are tremendously crafted and designed. All the furniture and cutlery is specially brought from the Rajasthan. Vegetarian kitchen of Hotel Maitriya's is unique and it's ultimate, where all pure veg food is produced, which is in the multi-cuisine menu list. Maitriya's got the veg and non-veg sections entirely separate. Their kitchens, utensils, crockeries and even cooks are separate. Hotel Maitriya's is ultimate choice for most of all the celebrities, distinguished corporate guests and customers. Most of the corporate sector prefer to conduct their business meetings, gatherings, product launchings, etc. in the Maitriya's premises. Marriage ceremonies are also conducted in its hall. Maitriya has 32 luxurious and well-furnished rooms. All rooms are in double occupancy. The rooms are categorized in the economical rooms and standard and deluxe rooms. Super luxurious rooms are super executive and suite rooms. All rooms are air-conditioned rooms. In the rooms, we have facilities like 24 hours room service, doctor on call, hot and cold water system, complimentary breakfast, direct dialing telephone and foreign exchange facility. Apart from these facilities, we have special amenities like travel desk, satellite TV, free pickup and drop system from railway station, bus station or even from the airport. Business center and hotel got ample parking place in its premises. Hotel Maitriya's lawn is considered to be heaven of Jalgaon. All big, lavish and rich marriages are held here, and this lawn is counted as a prestigious place for marriages as well as the business promotional activities in Jalgaon. Live concerts are organized on this high-tech lawn with inbuilt surround sound system is very attractive and famous in Jalgaon. We have tried and will continue to fulfill the demands of our customers, and will try to provide best of our services in future too. Our planning is to open chain of hotels in many other cities of Maharashtra and spread net of friendship as it's derived from its name Maitriya's. Visit once to get the delightful experience in Hotel Maitriya's. Thank you.
Places of tourist interest like Ajanta, Padmalaya, Manudevi, Unabdev are all accessible conveniently from Maitriya's. Maitriya boasts of royal hospitality for all its VIP, VVIP and celebrity guests like you. You need not think of Aurangabad for stay if you have to be close to Jalgaon. We cordially invite you to experience the friendly, personal and polite services of Maitriya's and enjoy its delicious food at least once. We bet once our guest, you will always be our guest, and every time you would visit us, you would definitely remark, Maitriya's is a delightful experience in the vicinity of nature.